Hello, this week is National Garden and Wildlife Week. As you may know, there are lots of events going on up and down the country, and we're going to show you how you can get involved. Now when it comes to building a wildlife pond, this can actually be easier than making an assembly. All you need is something that holds water. Now whether that be an old bucket, one that's cleaned out of course first, even a washing up bowl. But what we're going to use is a nice little shelf. We've now come through to the peaceful garden. Now we've got the lawn and lots of plants and that. And we need to find somewhere where we can put our wildlife pond, where it's going to benefit most from the wildlife, or where creatures can get to it. So we'll just have a look around here. This corner of the garden, it's been deliberately left untidy for the time being. There's sort of a no-mow May theme going on out there. So I think last weekend I had to move these trees around a little bit to put things in a better place, and I think possibly this little gap down here might be the place for it to go underneath these plants. We've now got the hole dug, which didn't take too long at all really. We've got it nicely in this corner in amongst these plants. Apologies for the shadow. Crucial thing to do if we go any further is just make sure it's level. Now, from what I can see there, yeah, that is looking level. Some of the stones that you come out the hole as well, put them in the bottom. You're going to need those as well to create more hiding places, you know, for the wildlife to thrive. Now it's time to get it filled up with water. We've now got the watering can at the ready, so we just multitasking. So we won't fill it right up straight away because we've got to put some plants in there shortly as well. I know it'd be easy to take the rows off. Just get this filled up. This will take a moment, and we'll be back shortly for the next stage. Now we're going to need some plants, and as I thought about this idea on a bit of a whim, I'm going to have a look around the garden and see what we can dig up and put in here. I've got one or two ideas, so let's see what we can find. Now we're going to plant these grasses up. So you wouldn't do this like for a fish pond, I might add, but what you need to do, some of your soil that you took out of the hole, put in the pot, like so, and then I did find some more seedlings actually. So we literally just poke up a few little holes, and we can put these in like so. These will take quite quickly because they do grow like weeds, so they won't be long getting established. And this is something that's very quick and easy, you know, do during the school holidays, get children interested, and there we go. That's our carrot grass is all planted up and ready to go into the new wildlife pond. So here we go. We've got our carrot grass. You can use any plant that likes water, you can use anything really. So what we'll do is we're going to put it in. Now, because of the depth of this bucket and the water that this plant will tolerate, I've actually put another plant pot in the bottom upside down already, so it means it will be close to the top once it's completed. And it is as simple as that. What we're going to do next is put some more water in it and get some more plants, and we'll finish it off. Now I've got to do this bit quite quickly. This isn't for the purist, and I suppose really in the trade we'd call this like a nano pond. The plants will need transplanting again at some point, provided it's successful, but I've managed to find 4 or 5 seedlings, and like with anything that you sow, you need to sow twice as many as what you actually need, because you do get kind of crop failure. But I'll get up on my feet and we'll pop this into the pond, our new pond. A little bit tight down here. I'll just go down in there like so. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to top the pond up with water. We'll get some duckweed and some oxygenating plant, and we'll finish the job off. We have added some forget-me-not, which we've found in the garden as well. That again, it was grown through some paving slabs, self-set. That will grow in any condition with the hanging basket right to underwater. We've added a little bit of CRISPR and some duckweed too. So I've just tidied up the edge of it, and now Mother Nature's got to do a bit. And this is how easy it is to make a wildlife pond. It's got a lovely setting there in amongst the poppies and the trees and whatever. It's yeah, this will blend in, you won't even know it's there. But no, yeah, Mother Nature will. There you go.